Storms happen, and with storms comes rain, wind, hail, lightning, and sometimes power outages. At PSE&G, our goal is to get your lights back on as safely and quickly as possible. It's important to remember to always stay at least 30 feet away from downed wires. Never go near the utility pole or anything touching the wires, and never drive over them or stand near them. Contact PSE&G and 911 if an immediate hazard exists. One of our employees will come out to assess the damage. Don't try to assess damage yourself. All wires should be considered live and hazardous. Sometimes this person will be in an unmarked vehicle, but usually they'll be in a vehicle with a PSE&G logo on it. They may be wearing a yellow PSE&G hard hat, or they may not. Once the damage has been assessed, but before our crews can get to work, local municipalities must clear any blocked roadways. Now our crew can get your power back on, right? Not just yet. Before any repairs can begin, the crew has to wait for the all clear from the control center, confirming that the downed line has been de-energized and the site is safe for work. Remember, as safely and quickly as possible. Now is a good time to mention why sometimes after an outage, you won't immediately see a PSE&G crew on your block. During a widespread outage, emergencies are handled first. Next, there are certain places that must be restored before others. Places like power plants, substations, hospitals, nursing homes, police and fire stations, as well as water and sewage treatment facilities. After that, our crews will focus on places where we can get the most customers back on in the shortest period of time. Often problems on one street are part of an even bigger problem blocks or even miles away. So just because you don't see our crew doesn't mean they aren't working nearby. Speaking of, let's get back to our crew and that downed line. The power's been turned off and repairs can begin. Sometimes it's not as simple as splicing a downed line back together though. Sometimes a new pole needs to be set. Sometimes all of the lines have to be replaced. In this case, once the line has been repaired and inspected, lines are re-energized and your power is restored. Like I said, sometimes storms happen and sometimes the lights go out. Just know, PSE&G will be working 24/7 to get them back on as safely and quickly as we can.